Three, go.
Hello,
Hello vlog!
vlog!
Welcome to our channel.
Channel!
And what is your name?
Isaiah.
And my name is Tito Boo. So we're going to unbox our order from Metro Sanis Shade. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So let's open it.
Yes.
Okay. But before that, let us introduce our
My
cute mic.
mine is so soft.
Yeah. Let's put it in our clothes. Okay. You know how?
Oh my.
I can do it. I can do it. I can
Oh
do
my
it.
god.
This.
Beautiful.
Yan. So, hello!
Hello.
So, nandito na po yung mga mic namin and I hope na maganda yung boses natin, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Oops.
Oops.
Please, for a minute, I will open the Metro Sanas
Yeah.
shade. So, are you excited?
Yeah.
Wow, it's so nice. The box is so cute. The box is so nice. So, meron siyang lalagyan ng shade. Ayan. And this is the shade. But before that, let's open first what's inside the box. So, inside the box,
Oops.
meron siyang sticker. Wow, ang ganda din ng sticker niya. And this, care for you, New Year.
Yes.
Keep me in cool and dry, please.
Sticker here.
Ayan. Meron siyang 500
Glasses.
or 10% off. Free ISM din siya. So, meron din tayong sticky notes and pamunas ng shade. So, let's go. Let's see the shade. So, it's very nice. I'm ready for a vacation na talaga or summer. Ayan. Look at this, Zaya. Oh, it's so cute. Is it nice?
Yes.
Am I pretty?
Yes.
Look at here.
Hello.
So, what's the color of my shade? Can you describe it to them?
I know it's brown.
Yeah, and then?
Let me open this now.
No. So, for only 300 plus, so please click my yellow basket for legit seller. Hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo ang beat. You want to try it?
Yeah, brown.
Okay. Wow, this is perfect for kids also. And this is my pamangkin, Zaya Boo. Say, thank you guys. Please buy the shade
Please buy the shade
sa yellow basket ni Tita Boo.
for yellow bastard for kita. Put and anything.
What? So, bye! Meron din siya pamunas na kulay brown. So, madami din mga design and yung Metro Sanes. But this shade and this shape talaga ang nagustuhan ko. Am I pretty?
Yes. My favorite is pink. What is your favorite? What is Tita Boo favorite?
My favorite is black and brown
Tita Boo.
and green also.
Tita Boo color is black and brown and green.
So, bye guys!
Bye.